If you're looking for professional markers that are known for their quick dry, streak-free, blendable colors that are exceptionally vibrant, you are going to love this set I was just gifted from Graffixx. You get 80 alcohol markers, and each of these markers has a fine tip and it has a wide tip that actually is set in a way at a slant that you can use this in a variety of ways. It's kind of a medium tip or a wide tip. So let me show you this close up. Now you really do just get a ton of incredible colors in this set, just the full rainbow of colors. And coloring with these is just really fun. This is the French Vermilion, and I'll start with the broad side. Just right off the bat, really nice and thick. I can also do that thin line. And of course, I can do the fine point as well. So you have all the different points, super, super smooth. Let's try a few others here just to check out some of the colors. So bright. This is actually a pastel yellow. So let's try one of the other yellows. Let's try the lemon yellow. And then let's try the pale yellow. So fun, the different colors. And yes, you can blend and they're not going to brush against each other at all. No smears, no streaks. And I can rub my hand on this pretty much immediately and it's not coming off at all on my hand. So really, really clean all around. There is a slight smell, but it goes away very quickly. And you really do get all of the options. So I want to try to do a quick coloring here, as I want to just try to color this room real quick as if some sunlight is coming out through the window. Maybe like a street light. And it's nighttime, so the rest of the room is going to be dark. So not a very complicated drawing, but just for fun to see what this looks like. These are really nice to color with. And while they do have a slight smell, you can see just how much I'm coloring, and it is very mild. It's not something very noticeable. And then finally, we'll put a couple shadows in here. So really simple, but kind of a fun idea of what you can do with these pens. I'm really, really liking how the colors blend. And obviously I could mix more colors into the background of the room, maybe make it a little darker, add a different blue. I could also potentially add some coloring. Like for example, there is a cat here. So maybe the cat is an orange cat. So I could make the cat a little orange here, which isn't going to stand out too much in the dark room, but I can see that now the cat does have a different coloration than the rest of the space while still in the shadows. So just a really simple example here, something fun that I saw that I wanted to try, that I really like how it came out so quickly and easily. One thing to keep in mind with these is that they do bleed. They are very strong markers. They are going to go through. They only bled a little bit onto the next piece of paper, and that's pretty impressive considering how much I colored this paper. I colored it quite a bit, but that's just something to be aware of. Past that, these are stunning. I am really, really impressed with the vibrancy, with how they blend, and how quickly it just insta dries and is streak free. The Graffixx alcohol markers 80 color set is really, really nice, and I think you're gonna love this.